Hey guys, Driven to Compete here. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all my videos. Hey, today I'm kind of impromptu stop by a shop that is a Porsche beat-up Audi restoration, old air-cooled engine type place. And man, I gotta tell you, it's in the middle of nowhere. They don't advertise, and they have quite a lot of cool stuff here. Let me just take a minute here to show you what they have going on. Check these guys out. So I'm out here shooting this video with Walt, and he says, I know where there's a place not far from my house, has some 911s, and they do work and such. And I just wanted to, this is a European car supposedly, roll cage in it. It's kind of crazy. And they're getting ready to tuck all this shit away for winter. They're all customer cars. So anyway, you can hear a tractor running because they're in the back. They're trying to put customer cars into a storage barn for winter, and they'll pull them as they work on them, and they'll store them until spring for the customers to pick back up. Where are you gonna find basically 8 914 Porsches that are just been sitting here since the 80s? And then you've got this one here. I was told it has 1900 original miles, purchased new. You know, like, you know, and then there's a 911S. You know, this, you know, some of these cars are for sale, I'm being told, but of course he's not really giving me much detail. But you know, I just wanted to, I mean, just check this out. I mean, parts, you name it, just all kinds of stuff. It's called a Sable, and the original designer is in PA here and is working with these guys on creating a mold to reproduce the bodies on these. But this was a Porsche inspired. I don't know if it had a chassis and an engine from Porsche, and then you put the body over top, or how that was, but that's pretty cool as well. We got ourselves a GS 914 race car. Just some great stuff. Look at the tires. This thing sounds wicked for a 1.8 4-cylinder, and they race it. Pretty cool, I think. Typical fall foliage. Let me zoom in here. Beautiful central Pennsylvania. You know, we're in early November, and they've got all kinds of stuff. You can hear the cars running, and there's just all kinds of stuff going on here.